In Ghana music, you walk on my papa or watching the papa. Bakwa, your friend Charles Nyama, which is Satawali. And you're done the Tirisu class, only Mr. Baba Yosofo.
Shatter.
My Bible, my Bible, and I'm sure with this. Bible, I'm sure with this. Satawali is a purely genuine man of God. Now, so your Baba Yamir Jumaso and your Dins now had a so Niama, in the best position, said, or picture, ne mammy. Now, or tell the mammy, say, I didn't calculate in our bar. You can fly your mom outside Ghana. You are living rich outside there. Who would follow West or Ghana? Near Bekaso said, we don't wait that thing to happen, and it will never happen.
Do you want to buy a house? Then your worries are over.
For sale, sale.
Mewasem David Emao. Yes, it's for sale. It's a 5-bedroom gated houses with a beautiful view and serene. All for sale. A dining in our Tantra Hills estate. Into Wahibia Freying. They're very affordable. You can simply call us on 050-338-7037.
Ebusuan video be a 25 year celebrity who aye mami awabe jina bonti chese e comedy no na oyare. When you the first time, when you the second time. Ama celebrity ebuefu ye pa manfo nso etwabo abrewe na ohwe the way manfo etwabo abrewe a personally me hunu say enye fair because mami send what bia no no wo celebrity ya nkofo ehun na omun hu jai na Shatawale ababe respondo sa manfo jai mami asem ema no because no mami wa talk man 4 times o man ejuma say wonye ena ne mami I decided say obe embarrass no in that manner. Ebusia misaka Prophet Bernard Isiam come home na man akwaba na onfa enseni munchi makasa onfa mai. Shatawale I respond I think say I respond so many times na the response aba no chese yenja me asem ema no and amafo support no but ebi so di ho ya wo say na tibia no and was anka or kono that way odi for so hu say
too much. My mention what you for a chili bench. Maybe the Proverbs chapter 18, verse number 21. Bible says abofra ya to nesrahan. Uguni papa anane mami enimuase. Abofra ya to nesrahan. Uguni papa anane mami enimuase. Me kubisi prophet o kan akusi say. Charles Nyama Shatawale onye ni pabonini.
Yeah.
Me minimoni pa bi wo me ho a oben. Omo ben kwa no ye omo adoye o try so be omo papa and sometimes no opesa wo ye bibi na huntimi a oba be ye a pushing behind you obe pian ama wakwa get what you want and I want say sometimes in the fear you feel them bibi nsi keke and bibi happy too much opa ma obi dallas e dan we nyina ama obeba be you boni ayo be ka cho say won ye hwe ma no and I want say sometimes no and you may be a your cum, and you may be a film. When you be a walk, mammy, papa, be a what bring up a star. I won't come, and when I was sending him, we any munyamse, any massa, a jack, and answer, sir, and nano. Now, Obi sounds a prophet, assembly see and now who be an. May a D4, when you send me to preach about 1 more month, show mammy, 1 more obey one mammy. Say one obey mammy, unquander showers as usual. And when you do what is right in the sight of God, now ebia a chireno ye tisi wachi ebia adia enya de papa anase enyoma emfa nkoso emfa yeye emfa mre abusua sometimes ni enumi ni nyinara esamba ebehwe wankasa obebusa say prophet adinchi na wo kasi erade kan Proverbs chapter 6 verse 1 to 3 etifia samosenkoa or see children in the Lord, obey your parents in the Lord, so that your days will be long upon the land which thy Lord thy God gave thee. And to whom so I was said, yes, sir, dear O mammy hiano, O yaman, dear O papa hiano, O yaman, but enconquo ye ma be na encojian monyam will be chain, and mera one casa, o dear mudie, obisi outside gentility, inside ruffian. Obi terms no. Outside gentility, inside rascal. Sabe, obi bodam obo free. Obi say ya o say free. Echira medi kan kasa me kasa se abofra ya to ne sra ya to ni pa hwi no oguni papa anane maame animu ase. And there is no way Charles Niyama Satawali ebeka so onhwe ne maame anane papa. There is no way. Open in the industry in Ghana music you work my papa or wadwene papa ba kwa your friend Charles Niyama which is Satawali and they done the tirisu kwa so nim so ba be yesofo
Shata
me Bible wa ha me Bible na me nsua with this Bible wa ha me nsua with this na me wo ECG aveno de no na me to prepaid card ti me trans na me dozy off any bie so kire me Satawali is a purely genuine man of God. Now, so you baba ye nyame adwuma so and ye din so nya wo hade so.
Ensamoni we nyina echi.
Me say Charles Niyama Satawali is a man of God. Ono ankasa onim. Ono ankasa Satawali onim. Ena nye anu, ena nye di ya me ba beka. Ono no Erade ka che mo say ya ka kire ne da. But because of agudie ne Joviane onso yo pa agudie so what you say aha opesa de no but obra no so oye one of the men of God onya prophet a serious evangelist very very serious na so no ba be nyame adwuma kwa ya edi kan kwa ya anye ne sa
but with response or the buy and who say
o media with response ne de also no na ka de fiase so what you say sebe ne maame na ayesa ena opanin so ye Bible si medue mante mpanimfu atetesem ena Proverbs chapter Job chapter 32 verse 9 to 10 o se enyo bia ne tiri wonfu dwene bia ne wonyansa Job chapter 32 verse 9 to 10 enyo bia ne tiri wonfu dwene bia ne wonyansa so what you say enti no abofra ne akola nya asem a oye den panini bedibem oye den panini bedibem enti we de Charles Niyama efi asem. And made the moment I mean, send Mamma Baboncha Babe Casano. And so tap on Chilenia or Jawo. Don't Ubechima show Mamma a blue baby or hear the upper hand. What to car mamma, which is true. Why my baby mamma, which is true. But sometimes when say Mammy pen woman you do baby, they need the care of their children. One more person on my ben one. And you may be when you can almost struggle before they get. And to say, "Oh, be mbel mame, e wo mame ho a, unim ne hia de ne sia de hia no." And the moment I walk around your mom, now unim what is going on, what is coming in, and you be quite be catch or say, "Good guy, Niyama, ya no ya fe ne kan bi ne ya home mame." And no kwani an insult to your name, and a brand that we building. Satan movement is an insult. Say, obi wa fun afro say, "Charlie, what's up, Charlie Niyama?" Ona ko mami bagbo na wie pi ya no ya short le out that be du fiasem de bi amemasem du fiasem
so do you say bia onye ne osan ko yema
Satawale will solve this within a twinkle of an eye. The guy is fucking dusted o wosika
so best of osan ko so do that
there be unse and America say sometimes no enso tap on chire ni a ojewo wo ye ni ye appreciate we assess so and I unse enyo no nko a many of the children and none di omu hamo many of Ghana children o dey obi to say circle traffic light now kola be 12 years eton ade me am a victim me no can say I don't have father love because emra me mama me papa jai and I was around 7 years me chiri ba no what 3 years me nu apɛ no be 11 years ye ko Kumasi Asaf market ko breast so many years ye ba Accra ne ye di be 19 years ku Kumasi e bre come what the tongue your back say new plan station bra ya bre ena munu say Charles Niyama wa bre ansa na wodu ba bia wodu ena onhwe se ni fie bebo onhwe se ni fie be ebe tochew ena hun se sa asam ba wo no asam ne na na so nche wo se de obeka nafa ade ni ntua ho e wo se de obehu nafa eye na nka ade ni tua ho bia obeka ne different way
but na ma for say Africa no empenifo no dream say omumma na wo se omunhwe omo unse sombo brana omunse da emomoni nda hombo brana yi
unse obi wo ha ho sorry to say this enye obi na uhunu se oye sa odu sa too much you nim se me kasa o radio e kasa o TV busa se me wan city kra wo mu na e to da kwa prophet me ma betina hai obi na to ofura brochire ba ye gina mu ma no e wo Holy Ghost temple e ma onya ne na brochire stay papers green card onya ofura brochire ba no bo mu nyoma we ba ko tere won set ametashe suit bi blue e bi ye wine color oto sa suit ba ko 5 no de che me ono wie no ma me em say o ma me $500 say me mfa nhwe me ho me ni sika enti sa wonu say me wo radio wo TV a me ni fuad onim say ma nyame adwuma so many years ba me ni ka onim enti me nhwe the book and judged by its cover
by you see anon em ma che say wato cars for man ma me ni ma me aba out still egunu ni ma say
na hunu say
ba man fi still aba bonti
hunu say e de na wo ma me echi a ama ne ba out
o ma me na e ditemu say obe say chatawale bra
e na anya adwuma de ye shira no from yefunu anya adwuma Jeremiah ye shira no from yefunu Christo ye shira no from yefunu Isaiah mu nyina Elijah ono kwa de ehun ba bi opie fi ba ye se Tisbi ni Abranche bi aba ye friend Elia a okuta nyame honhom enti de money adjomo you can never curse that person so what you say enti we na me hu se enye se oba begu papa na ni ma ne ba na ni mu ase eye unse mpenfo no mu duru ba bi a enye menopause me pa to achi ase e na hu se ye na kamu an ye fiefo no ye chiefo no wo mo ye nneoma ma ye obi obanso abodam na mabonchi mfiri no emfiri ni ja emfiri ni na but efiefo na ye ne sa enti niama ewo in the best position say o picture ne maame na ote de maame anim say ya adwene mu kakura bi na ba you can fly your mom outside Ghana omunkore na adwene mu enko analyze no ma bi wono na onye stable because untimi mfo obi maame nyo maame da opa ma papa umba maame wu a obusua sa opa ma papa umba ne o maame wu a obusua sa eni yedi ni bakoro
yeah
je o maame ho atete wa bodam wa ye den wo di anu so what you say you are living rich outside there o would follow west or Ghana ni ebeka so say nye kwa Charles Nyama e maame ye seke we don't want that thing to happen and it will never happen yesire rade nkwatintin de man wo die dan ni mo ba be ye ni yesire emre bi sofu pani bi e kan na asem say brana be kan ho ni nyame adwuma na o sere papa no onim say aka krabu na ne time adu say Kristo e ba arrest no say o me nyame adwuma Paul awa mantem o ye de
say the can for
the man was
prophet but as pastor when you have no near kasa o fa na o be to jana
oh final word and be to jana say enhwe ma me modam me de enu nti na ye prophet enhwe ma ba en the rascal life in the society ubi bi yesa eye sermons de be mo aye ye duru jamu a Holy Ghost temple mu amadare ti mama call abrochifo bebri Ghana ha bebri asofo bebri e jamu ho ene ye swai ye pai ye suma nyoma ekọ fie emra wo wada from yan twetwe nkomo 0249 631876 0249 631876 anase 053 255 3511 053 255 3511 obebisa me say Holy Ghost temple away fa ofono kogogo type Holy Ghost temple asamankesi ubehunu se ye obabi wo ha ye bodu akora aprada e pai in your name ye fra okra e wa abusumfia ubehunu de besi wo ye gine mama bebiri enya ano bebiri na testify asamankesi ya abomu se bibi e chen bibi manu ato too much
ebushia me da se wonya abre na otie ye nkomo ya ye de ebrewe message ni di mo a ja wo comment was yo ne subscribe my page we send am ye upload ya so na unsa betu me aka